everyone. In this video we will see how to create a table and use formulas in Google Sheet by using mobile. So first you need to install Google Sheet from Play Store. So go to Play Store and here type Google Sheet. You need to type Google Sheet. Just click it, so you will get this type of app, Google Sheet. You can open it if already in your mobile or you need to download it. I have already downloaded these sheets in my mobile. So just open the sheets, just tap on the sheets. So here is your drive, and on that drive you are able to see the different files by using sheets. Here is a plus icon. See, at the bottom right corner here is a plus icon. Just tap on this. Here you can use the template, that is ready-made file or new spreadsheet. Just tap on new spreadsheet. So here is one new spreadsheet. Here you can type your data. Suppose, see, here is a one cell. Just tap on this. So you will get the here keyboard and here type the text. Suppose first column heading is name. Okay, if you want to add the name here, then after that, see, here I want to add the name. So just click in this formula bar and type here name. Okay, click here in a formula bar, then name, then here write the marks. Suppose marks 1. Then second column is your marks 2. Okay, second subject mark is here. See, when you are directly clicking and trying to typing, so sometimes if there is a no cursor, then you are unable to type. So easy way, just click in this formula bar. This is formula bar. See, cursor is blinking in a formula bar. Okay, this A, B, C, D are the column and 1, 2, 3 are the rows. Here name, suppose name is here, just click. Again click in this formula bar. So here keyboard will appear. So suppose name is Sonali. Marks 1. Marks 1 is out of 100, 67. And marks 2 is 87 suppose. Here I want to calculate the total. So write the total as a column heading. And here you can calculate the total. So just first select your cell. And this is formula bar. So here write equals to, okay, equals to which formula you are applying? Sum, to calculate the sum. Okay, sum, then open the bracket and here you need to use the values. So see, cursor is blinking here. Select this 67 and 87, both the cells. Here we need to select this 67 and 87. So see, by default I selected a whole column, but that's why it's showing the error. Okay, so we need to select this 67 and 87. So here is formula. See, in the formula bar equals to sum. So just again click here, select the first value 67, then click here, select the second value, that is 87, and you can complete this. Then after this you need to close it. You need to close it and then press the, just click on the this correct button. So you will get the sum. See, I am showing it one more time. See, suppose here name is Rupali. Student name is Rupali. Marks is 55. Here is 82. Okay, these are the two subject mark. Here I want to calculate the sum. You can use the formula, say directly here. Just use the equals to sign, because in Excel each and every formula will start with equal sign, equal sum. Then see, when you are clicking on this sum, see here this different signs are there. Select the opening bracket, then select the first cell, then click here, select the second cell and close it. Close it, and after that press click on the equal sign. So you will get the here answer. But see, again it's showing the error. Why showing the error? Because in the formula bar here is a comma, extra comma is there. So remove that comma and then click on OK, click on that correct mark. So you will get the sum here. So in this way you can calculate the any answers like a multiplication, addition. You can use the any formula here. See, just click here. If you want to cut it, you can just click here. Here, if you don't want this value, just remove this formula from this cell. Okay, see, here is now only 154. So how to copy this formula? When you are clicking here on the side, you can click and you can drag it. Okay, you can click and you can drag it. See, actually this is answer of this. See, you need to just tap on this pointer, this one, and then you need to drag it. So you will get the answer of the second cell also. Okay, but when you are using it, you need to use it very carefully. Again, open this untitled spreadsheet. Select here untitled spreadsheet. This is your spreadsheet. Here, just click here and you can download it. You can share, you can use the different option like a data validation, name range, and different options you can use for your Excel. So this is all about the Excel sheets. From here, from the bottom side, see, here is a plus icon, so you can add the more sheets in your workbook. Here is the option, these lines at the left hand corner. Here is the option. If you want to go on a sheet 1, you can easily go and you can use the different formulas in Excel sheet. If you want to give the some formatting, just click here. If you want to select all these, select this, give the different border. So this border, if you want to apply this border, you can apply this one border. So this border will appear for your text. See, now border is applied. Similarly, here is a different, if you want to add the rows or the column, you can use this option. See, here is a different options are there, so you can use it. If you want to fill the color, just go to color and you can fill the color inside it. Here is a custom color and basic colors is given. So if you want to reset, then just click on a reset to find your original data. Here is a different option, the formatting option, bold, italic, underline, and this you can use it for your purpose. Here is a plus sign on the top side. Here is a plus sign. By using this, you can add the chart, images, or you can insert the rows or column. If you want a chart, see, select the data. Okay, select the data and you can make the chart of the given data. I will cover all these remaining points in a next video. This is just a basic video how to use Excel, how to use the Google Sheets in mobile. So first learn all these things on Google Drive on a laptop or computer, so it is easy to use this Google Sheet on mobile. Thank you very much.